You've been told that crunches will melt belly fat, squats will burn thigh fat, and push-ups will shred arm fat. But here's the hard truth. Spot reduction doesn't work. If you're still chasing it, you're wasting time and energy. In this video, you'll learn exactly why spot reduction fails, what actually works for fat loss, the common mistakes that keep people stuck, and a simple action plan you can start today to finally get results. Step 1. Understand how fat loss works. Fat loss doesn't happen in isolated body parts. When you burn calories, your body decides where the fat comes off, not you. Think of fat storage like a bank account. You can't withdraw from only one pocket of money, you draw from the whole account. Step 2. Genetics control fat distribution. Some people lose belly fat first, others lose it last. This isn't about the workout you do, it's about your genetics. That's why one person's abs pop quickly while another struggles despite training hard. Step 3. Exercise doesn't directly burn local fat. Yes, crunches work your abs, squats build your legs, push-ups build your chest. But these moves strengthen muscle, not melt the fat on top of it. Fat loss comes from a calorie deficit, burning more energy than you consume. Step 4. What actually burns fat? Fat loss is driven by 3 pillars: nutrition, eating in a controlled calorie deficit, strength training, building muscle to boost metabolism and shape your body, and cardio and movement, supporting calorie burn and heart health. Together, these create overall fat loss, which eventually reveals the muscle underneath. What to avoid? Endless crunches and sit-ups. You can do thousands, but without fat loss, your abs stay hidden. Chasing quick fixes, fat-burning creams, gadgets, or 10-minute ab blasters won't do it. Ignoring nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet. Abs are made in the kitchen as much as the gym. Impatience. People quit because they don't see instant results. Fat loss is slow, steady, and requires consistency. Here's your fat loss blueprint. Set a calorie deficit. Track your food. Aim for 300 to 500 calories below maintenance. Train smart. Focus on compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, presses, pulls. Add isolation for balance, but prioritize big moves. Move more daily. Walk, bike, take the stairs. Activity adds up. Stay consistent. Stick with the plan for weeks, not days. Trust the process. And remember, spot reduction is a myth, but total fat loss is very real. And it works if you stay disciplined. If this video helped clear up the truth, hit like, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe to Zen and Strength for more no-nonsense fitness wisdom. You don't need shortcuts. You need clarity and consistency. The path isn't easy, but it's simple. Stay the course and results will follow.